Briefly describe your course pathway.
Our course pathway is mechanics, and the way we do things in here is we fix things, we make things, we do all types of stuff. We weld, we paint, we
cut.
pretty much.
What kind of students should consider taking your class?
Kids who are willing to work are motivated, not just sit around and wait to be told. Yeah, they are willing to be doing the work.
What kind of fun, interesting things do students in your class get to do or learn about?
Well, everything's pretty much fun here. We learn everything new every day.
And we get together for Thanksgiving.
Oh, we have parties.
Yeah.
We throw a party. We raise money. We have a party right before the breaks. That's about it.
Are there any special clubs or organizations affiliated with your class?
We have the Grease Monkeys.
Yeah, it's the Grease Monkeys. And what we do with that is we put on a car show every year so that we could make money to go to Skills USA, which is one of the competitions that is affiliated with our program.